Hello and how let's see how I can make a simple text markdown editor. So a simple markdown editor. So I have already built it. Let's see how to do it. So we are going to be using Next.js. So you will need to go and download Node.js for NPM and things like that. So you will need Node.js. You can just go to nodejs.org/en/download and download it from there. Then you can go to npmjs.com/package/snarkdown. Other link I will put down in the description. Here we are going to be using this to transform the thing that we are going to receive, like what is called the MD, and translate it to HTML. So like you can see, like you can see here, like you can see it, make it like that. So also, you will need to go to cdnjs.com and go to GitHub markdown.css. And we are going to be using the first min.css of GitHub Markdown CSS, which is created by by someone which by what is who by Kindle or so. This is not the npm package palette, but because we are needed to put it like this, so I won't be using this since you need to download it. So I will just use this link. And then let's just open our console and just go to my desktop and start creating my environment. So I will create a make the folder. We can create the next class app at data and the sorry npx create the next class app at data to download the latest version. So here, yes, I want to choose proceed, and then it will ask us the name of what we wanted. So MD plus edit. No, I don't want to start click. No, yes, and yes, and no, and no, and little we are set up. Now it should take a little bit of time. So like you can see, it's installing the Atom, next Tailwind, post CSS, and so leave it. And really quickly, you can get a simple leader from anyone. So I'm going to use a leader of Snarkdown, for example, for this. So actually here, they just put it like this, but we don't need this kind of thing. So like you can see, the first is like that. So at last we are going to be building our own. So let's just return, and like you can see it is done. I can get cd slash editor. The first thing I'm going to run is empty snark down since we are going to use it. So npm I snark down and then I want to code it. So open it with my favorite code editor, Visual Studio Code. So click on this terminal. I prefer when I'm live viewing with NPM Dev, I use Visual Studio Code because if I use the other terminal and if I close it, it will stay running for long, but this will automatically stop when we shut it down. So NPM sorry, I don't know why I'm lighting for me today. So NPM Dev. Well, like you can see, we have this simple page. It's still loading. So like you can see, this is it. Oh, let's see. So first of all, let's just go to SLS page and then just go and I will delete this API since we are not going to be using it. And then just go to the so we don't need anything of this. Just going to clean it. We just need a main, and I don't actually need this inner intern thingy. So other libs, I don't want. So first of all, I'm going to create like a section of a section. Actually, we don't need this. So I'm making a main which will have two sections, a text editor and a live view site. But here I'm going to first here going to create a text area which will have other things. Because we are using fill one, we can just go to setting and just say which slash one slash two, which means it will take half of that, exactly half of the screen, and the height is full. So let's look at this. So you may wonder what. So here, I just make a class in here, extra full, and still not working. So this means extra a class name of extra clean, and also I want a select. So like you can see now it's making this, but now it is really short. So here W slash W also one needs to be full, and this will be W slash what is called one slash which should work. So like you can see it's taking, but like you can see this is not good. So here I will just say full and full. Not good. So let us return to screen like you can see it is, but like you can see it is hidable, which is something we don't want to happen since it is a bad thing. So you can just add here least hide 1 second and least hide be none, which will disable. So like you can see now, you can also light here, but the text isn't appealing. So we need to set the backend, what is called the text color to be black. So text black to make it. And if you are wondering how I got this cool pop-up of class name, I have this cool extension ES7 plus React Native things you can easily download. So let you see now it's visible. But I need to have import. I use one I use it. We are going to be using use it. So like you see, I have part that successfully. Then here I will just punch and I will punch MD and something called set MD equal to be used this. Then here I want the value to be this MD. But now here, it's not changing. So to change it, all you need to do is let's go here and add an on chain. In this on chain handle code, which we are just going to be here. We'll make call handle code handle code equal to be this a function, and this function just will pass in an e parameter. Just set MD to be either target or but like you can see you can successfully type. But there's nothing really appealing on this side. So to do that, all you need to do is just like you can see, this is how it's done. So here I will import this snark. So import now down like you see it is successfully added. And here I will make a font, another font of code and set code also to be used with this so set. Then I will also here I want to set code here will be just snark down. Then I want just the MD. And here I need to make an I plane. And if you don't know what is an iPhone, I have an old video. I will make it pop up. So now let's see, let's FLS dot. And this FLS dot will be equal to a lot of things. So first of all, you want to define the dot that. So let's just because I don't like writing this whole index notation and I will create this simple HTML doc and just basically so set up an easy HTML doc. But this will be of course I will change it. So one actually I don't want you can see now. Yes. detail, but inside of that body, what we want to do here is just insert a simple actually one attention here plus how then plus need the clothing. It should work also. If I just put something, it should be this head here. So like you can see it is this head here. So to fix this here, I need to have a classroom over here actually. So what I don't need this. All we need to do is just go here and just copy this link over here. So this CD and then I will just create a link that equal to be file sheet, of course, with the other parentheses that and then I want a plus equal to be this full long URL. Now, 1 second. Now, let us change this to have a background of last name of this last one for 1 second. Here I want a width of 100%. Actually, I can just make a class which would be either for me or which one be this last y and also 5 last 1. Like you can see it is and if I insert something, hey, like you can see it does that. Let's just make this about 5 a width of 1 slash r. So like you can see now, we have this. If we go and get long thing, so like you can see, I'll go here and I will just copy my contributing.md. This is the project I am working on and just go here and issue. And just if it doesn't do anything, just here. Like you can see, it adds it up. So like you can see, it makes everything, but sometimes this pass is not endless. But the style doesn't really make anything. So endless was. So let us here. just going to link this doc here uh, in the separate thing. I think, yeah. So I know why. Because to apply the coding, if you go to this, to the docs, which is the side of this, like you can see, where. So simply, if you go here, like you can see, telling us that you have to add it in this class mark body. So in order to do that, I can just go inside my body and add an ID equal to what? Equal to markdown, markdown. 1 second. Markdown. Markdown slash body. And this would fix it. So if I just go and reset 1 second. Also, we are going to start the lay in like that. Start there. We click enter. Yeah, it is because this is a class, not an ID. So class. So like you can see, there it is. Now it is working very well. So like you can see here. And if I just go here and delete it, like you can see it. So you can actually highlight a little bit, but that just set it more. So I can just head over my chat GPT and just say, read me and read the answer and take an example. He will see. So like you can see, he's making this. So like you can see, if I just paint and insert it here, like you can see, it actually see. So like you can see, it have marked Malaysian. So like you can see here, it actually it doesn't have like a scroll list. So here I will make a small edit, which will be a style. Here is some style. Here, I'm going to select the body, then overflow. Then inside this overflow, I want to have a log. So like you can see, it is actually working. So like you can see, here it is just hidden because of the equality. So what I can do is just here add a like add a margin of like one to make this thing. So as you can see here, now you can just type in anything you want and like you can see automatically editing for you. If it does now, let's just small it. I don't want it like this, so let's just put all of it in another curve, which here will help us make it smaller. So now just make it very, very small, which is not good. So what I can do is let's flat, flat, just copy the equal the these things. Also here we don't need this with so sorry this I deleted the and by mistake. Like you can see it, like you can see now, it's invisible. So if I just so this, like you can see, yeah. Wait 1 second. So if it doesn't do that, like you can see now here, if it doesn't update, just click this, uh, then this, this, but I don't want this. So let's just go here with them. Overflow slash X. I think X, the, yeah, 1 second. Okay, so little, it is working very good now. So I want it to be smaller. What I can do is just here, the height would be like whatever parts over. So like you could be till it's being made small. Here I will make another, and also this is not good. Okay, so like you can see, it's still not working. So let us hide. So let us have over six, like you can see here. Then this section, I want a platinum, platinum, like /1/6 with with not here. We'll have a cool button called what called land. So I don't like the automatically land thing. So let's just say it. So button, and I will have an on click of runner, runner. So function down equal to be this. So this means it will not be automatically. So like you can see, little, but like you can see, it is still fluctuated. So I need to remove this like so. If you can see now, we have this. So let's just see how it works. So here, insert my thing. Next to you can see doesn't plan, but when you click here, right, you can see it's done. if you added something like this, either remove this and run like you could see it that we made it. So let's just add the button a little bit. So class name, for example, I need a video green or okay, so let's see here pieces for like you can see relative, rounded, and just here I can just say justify between. So now if I just say another button of like, run, okay, so justifies center run, justify center, and also attack center. So like you can see here, and just so none. So let's just make an MR of 96. I think this should be good. So let's you can see here 10, and this will have the hey lab, and this class will be like this, and open in new tab. Which just when you get it opened in a new tab. So want to add b slash one stop b slash 50 being the center 55 I think. So p slash what? So b slash 52. So this is a lot. So 25 I think so. 25. So no, let's just leave it there for now. In an open new tab, I will make a unclick open. We just opened it in a new tab. Open click. And let's just make this const open const open. Click equal to be. I don't know really what we should do that. So let's just make a new blob. So const blob equal to be uh, blob. Um, so nothing to. Okay, so so open the click. I want to open the item in a new tab. So what I can do is that what? So what? Let us go and check the blob. So blob. blob. So like you can see, we have uh, a lot of things. So like you see, this is it. So like you see, this is a blob example. So like you see, here. So what I want is just to do that. So one, so أحذف URL which is equal to so there's many things. I really don't know which ones. So let you can see it it makes what it makes a URL dot create object URL. So let's just say URL dot create object URL which will be equal to the new blob. Then this will be a type array where 1 second of type array dot buffer and also we need a 1 second. Okay, so sorry. So here 1 second. Okay, 1 second. So sorry, this is incorrect. I was just confused. Sorry. So I need a font of blob equal to be new blob. Like I was creating it, new blob. And the first parameter will be this. Then I will just pass in the code. Then I will need to open this and I will need to make a type. And this type will be equal to B plus XML with just create an XML blob. Then I will just say const URL. This URL will be URL dot create a blob. And this URL, you can do anything you want with it. So, here's the blob code, for example, blob code. I prefer blob code. I don't know why, but I prefer blob. So, now it's time to open it. So, let's just make a, so, 1 second. So here, you can just say window, then window dot open. Then open will be equal to the URL and full screen equal to be yes. So let's just test it out really quickly. So like you can see here, I will put an example, this code, and now like you can see little, and you can set it to open a new tab little, but doesn't look very good because we forgot to add this thing. So to do that, you can just copy this and add it here as a code. Little. So with this, it should work. So open a new tab and let your page be retained. And we have successfully created a what is called and markdown MD text edit. So like you can see, much file is not really good. You can uh, edit it. What you can do is just what make another download. So there's many things you can do in it. So this is how you can simply create a markdown text editor. And if you like this tutorial, I have a lot of things like that in my project playlist. And if you like the channel, please hit the like button and the subscribe button and see you next time.